Hello world, I am Renato Ignacio from Coronel City, Philippines. I will be presenting to you what is MMM. MMM ideology. The modern world is bad, it is inhuman, unfair, and unjust. This is the world of money. It is not for people, it is for those who produce this money, for bankers and financiers, government and millionaires, and people are mere pawns in this game. We just serve them as attendants. Why the banker work less and earn 100 times more? What lies behind the social welfare? Labor? But why do bankers live 100 times better than common people who really work hard? Do the bankers work harder? Definitely they don't. In addition, they do not even produce any material values as opposed to the workers. Why then the difference in income is so enormous? Well, banker and a worker, they cannot be compared. The banker, the head of the bank, he has the power over the money and well connected. We are ordinary people having no power or clout. Naturally, the banker lives better than we do. Meanwhile, there is nothing natural here. The point is that everyone got used to the state who appears and takes it a matter of course. People believe that this is the way of the world, that a banker has to live better and cannot be otherwise. But in reality, things are different and situation can be changed. Why does the banker work less but live better than a factory worker, miner, oil rigger, or woodcutter? Because the banker has always got money, exactly all about money. This is the whole point, the cornerstone, and about it we should talk in more details. If money is a measure of labor, why is the world unjust? Well, we work without cease, but we should expect in the end low wages and pension and no rest, but a constant struggle with debts and half-starved old age. You have spent in your life working for billionaires. You have been taken away all your power, energy, and health. You have been squeezed like a lemon, and after that, you have been just thrown into dustbin as right off. Is it right? But that's the word. This is a reality of the modern society. This is what we should all speak in the end. Almost certainly, everything ends up this way for the vast majority of people in today's world, as ended up for their sibling and so on. That's why the way of the world. Why all this is wrong, unfair? It must be not exist. Why do some people have everything but others have nothing? And people are not equal, and the money is not even a measure of labor. All of this is an insolent and shameless lie. We are surrounded by lie, and still most people trust it all and continue to live in unfair and unjust world. Why do they cheat you? Just to make it easier to control you? Is everyone of us equal? It's nonsense. Imagine yourself as a billionaire now, or even an ordinary worthless member of the parliament. Are you equal in that you live in a different way, eat in a different way, and rest in a different way? In one day, you spend more than you spend for. Well, where is the equality? Perhaps you are equal in the rights, but in fact, people are not equal in anything. A constantly progressing social inequality. Here's the real picture. So, what is money? Now, we move on to money. Of course, money is not measure of labor. These are fairy tales for idiots. Otherwise, you would live like a lord, or maybe you don't work much. Unfortunately, money is just a tool to hold us in slavery. We are all slaves of money. More precisely, we are slaves of those who print money. We are our masters. In fact, nothing has been changed at all during all these centuries in earth. We have been living so far in the slave-owning system, which has undergone merely external transformation. Everything has become more civilized and sophisticated. If anciently slaves had real shackles, rusting steel, then today they are merely invisible, though they still exist. We didn't seem to have them and can go everywhere we want. We are no shackles. We are supposedly free. However, things are different. It is money that is our shackles in the modern world. In practice, none of us is free. Freedom is an illusion. Money is not the point. We are really nothing without money. We need home, clothes, food, and cannot live in a cave and even go hunting. We need money now. It is necessary to have money everywhere because everything around us is just for money. You cannot make a single step without it. But where can we find money? Maybe to earn it? That's ridiculous. The same convincing arguments could be heard for sure in a slave society when the slaveholders had been trying to make understand their slave who for some reason didn't want to work for them and ask different questions, and later the same arguments the landlords told their serfs clearly and confidently. After all, if we stop working, our society will collapse and we will die of hunger. Yes, it is necessary to work to create something useful for the society. Otherwise, the society will degrade and die. But firstly, we have to work voluntarily, not for a ball of soap and not only in order to survive. We have to do what we like. And secondly, while we are on the subject, once it is necessary to work, it is necessary for everyone. All people are equal, aren't they? So let's work, everybody. The situation when some people learn money while others simply print it is abnormal. Such situation is not acceptable in the principle, and there are no explanation and excuses to this state of affairs. Absolutely, money is just a paper. Candy wrappers is not backed by anything tangible, and according to that, money is simply printed unrestrictedly. No one hurts anyone hurt to content, and these candy wrappers are distributed among the slaves. When given an extra, the whole financial world is a pyramid. A new pure financial system will be established. Financial apocalypse. That's the only thing that can break our financial chains and save us all. Release us from the continuous slavery. Everything old will burn out, fire, and the new will appear. The Fed will resolve from power and will no longer develop social inequality. Why does the bank get interest for the credit at all? Usury was always despised by all nations and now it is legalized. Why? If a person takes a loan in the bank, then not for nothing but to do something good, to realize some project, but applies his effort for make welfare of society, including bankers, making useful something else for all of us. We should encourage such people making discounts but not collecting them huge interest. Nevertheless, modern banks were created for other purposes. They aren't interested in society but in their own goals. People aren't important for them. Modern banks are loyal servants of the Fed, hypothetical agents misusing the product of labor con people. The current financial system is more distracting us. It will get worse if nothing changes. We will destroy the existing financial system and build new, fair, and honest. We have no other choice. We are not slaves, we are people, and we choose freedom. And this freedom is almost ready. Now, thanks to MMM, financial apocalypse is inevitable, avoidable, since now it is just a question of time. The seed was dropped and it would grow. It's already growing. Right now, at this moment, it will not perish. MMM, a global community of financial aid and donation exchange. It is a social financial network, a community of people who want to have financial freedom. It's not a bank, does not collect money. It's not an online business. High-yielding investment program. It is not an investment program, not a multi-level marketing program. How does it work? People exchange their spare money to improve their well-being using Bitcoin in sending and receiving donations. Today you help someone, tomorrow someone will help you. Direct money transfer among participants. Everybody gains from this new trustful financial relationship. What are the advantages of MMM? We have 30% per month for your health in MMM, plus 10% referral bonus for help made by people you invited to MMM, maybe your friends, your relative, and etc. You will have a registration bonus from $20, $50, and $100. 20 to 100% growth rate with MMM Extra. And we have the guiders bonus, the leadership bonus, And another one is the 3 to 5% bonus for video testimonials. Now, MMM managers benefits. 5% from first level participant, those who consult you. Then 3%. Then 1%. Then 0.5%, 0.3%, 1.1%, 0.05%. 0.03%, and so on. Now, examples of help: 30% per month. If you have deposited $100, you will have money equivalent to $130 in 1 month. For 200, you have $260. For 300, you have $390, and so on. Now, how is it possible? MMM uses concept like all banks, insurance companies, pension funds, world currencies like US dollars, euro, and etc. People are paid from the money collected from other people. How it is possible? It is, MMM is like a huge drawer where participants put their money currently they don't use, which they earlier put it in their bank accounts. Later on, you can take out from this drawer the amount you deposited plus 30% interest, which is compounded monthly. MMM Global is widespread. Now we have 138 million members in 107 countries. We have 4 years now of activity and provided $14 billion assistance. MMM is the fastest growing community of people of the world. Now, goals of MMM: improve the well-being of all the people in the world, spread the money among the people so they can gain financial freedom, substitution of the modern banking system, creating a new fair financial relationship among people regardless of race. MMM has no competition. MMM is legal. People has the right to exchange their money among themselves. They have already paid taxes to earn this money. MMM enables to help all people linking the world together. MMM boosts the business economies of the whole countries. MMM unites. Now, be part of the community. Together, we change the world.